Many people have started reprioritizing their life and work in recent years. Job seekers now are digging deeper into the company values, social causes, while leaders know that they have to take care of their people. If not, they're going to lose them. Here are 4 ways to decide if a job is right for you. Number 1, prioritize meaning and purpose. Now more than ever before, people are focused on work that is fulfilling, meaningful. They want to find a company that they could share the same values and social causes. Do you find purpose in your work? Do you feel excited when you wake up in the morning and go to the office or work remotely? Number 2, seek challenging work. Feeling challenged at the office or working remotely is essential to learning and growing. You have to ask your boss, is there a path forward? What plans do they have in mind for you? Depending on the answers, you may decide it's time to leave. Number 3, an inclusive culture and environment is more important than ever before. If the company takes care of you and values you, you're going to feel happy. Are your managers open and honest in their conversations? Are they transparent? Are you encouraged to learn and grow? Are you given feedback? Do they provide mentors or coaches and upskilling? These are questions you want to ask yourself to stay or go to another company. Number 4, work balance is more important than ever before. Do companies care about your mental health, your emotional well-being? And are they concerned if you're getting burnt out by working too hard? You also want to know, do I have a path forward and can I grow and build and advance within my job right now? You owe it to yourself to ask these questions before you decide to find a new job or stay where you are.